Hey everyone! Well, first of all, look at the leaves here. On my last video, I'm not sure which one is going first, I was saying that everything's green, but look! The leaves are changing color. Look at this beautiful bright orange fire. So pretty. Some of them are still green, but look up ahead on your left-hand side. Look how pretty these are. Oh, these are so pretty. Anyways, I'm in a chatty kind of mood today, and I'm all by myself today. I wanted to go to Ikea. Just wanted to pick a couple things up. Actually, these are things that are inspired by a fellow Canadian YouTuber on here. I believe her channel name is Steph Macedo. She just recently bought a condo and she's totally organizing it, and she's totally motivated me and inspired me to organize my spices. So these particular spice bottles, I guess you can call them, are available at Ikea, and I'm on the hunt for them. So I thought I'd take you along and see if there's anything else there that's interesting. So if you want to come with me to Ikea, because I know a lot of you don't have an Ikea near you, and see what's available, just keep on watching. Now, I'm just going specifically to the marketplace area of Ikea, so if you are familiar with the marketplace, that's not where they display any type of furniture per se. It's mostly like kitchen, bathroom, accessories, plants. I mean, a whole variety of things. It's not specific to furniture. So that's the only section I'm going to. I don't plan on spending a lot of time there or plan on spending a lot of money, but I really wanted to go, so hopefully the traffic isn't too bad. Now, the Ikea I will be going to is the one in Etobicoke on the Queensway. Not sure if it's Queensway in Islington or Kipling, but I'll let you know as soon as we get a little bit closer. Right now I'm on King Street. I don't know if I should take the highway, the Gardner. I'm afraid there's too much traffic. It would actually be faster to go that way, so maybe I should. It's not too late, so maybe we should try to take the highway. Yeah. But anyways, I love Ikea. I can spend hours and hours there, but again, that's not my intention today. But I wanted the company. I hate going by myself. I love shopping with a buddy, a friend, family, but no one was available today. So I'm all by myself, and I know my friends on here love to travel with me or love to go with me shopping, so I thought I'd take you along. So I'm gonna turn here. It's on Atlantic, and this should let me not necessarily get on the highway, but take me in the direction to the highway, the expressway, the Gardner. I think. This is not normally how I get onto the highway, but I think this will do it as well. So on the way there, you get to see a little bit of Toronto, downtown Toronto. Right now we're heading towards Liberty Village. Liberty Village is a very upcoming, trendy area, condos and townhouses, but we're not going right into that area. Well, as a matter of fact, the street we're going to turn into is called Liberty Street. Yeah, it's grown in the last few years. It's a very trendy place right now to be living for young professionals. And over to the left, you can't see right now, is the Liberty Market. But we're not going that direction. We're going in the direction of Dufferin, and we're going to go through the Dufferin gates of the exhibition, the C&E. So if you're not familiar, now's your chance to get a little tour, and you're taking a little road trip with me, which is super exciting for me. Anyways, you might not think it's exciting, but it is for me. But yeah, hope my battery doesn't die. So let me know if I know a lot of you, a lot of my followers on here, my friends are from Canada. A lot of them specifically are from Ontario, which is great. Let me know down below if you are Canadian, and if so, where are you from? And if you're not Canadian, I'd love to know where you're from as well. It's always nice to have friends all around the world. So yeah, so right now we are sitting at the lights of Liberty and Dufferin Street, and we are headed south on Dufferin Street, so I'll be making a left, and this will take us through the Dufferin gates. And we're gonna make this light, but that's okay. Okay, so we are headed onto the Gardner. We're traveling westbound. I always hate entering here because the merging is, I don't feel it's safe at all. I mean, there's no, the stretch is so short to merge. There we go, thank you. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry I didn't film a lot in the store. It was crowded and just felt awkward. Plus I didn't really want to show people's faces on here. I know I can blur them out, but it was just easier that way. There was just too many people. So let me show you what I bought. I told you I didn't buy a whole bunch. I came here for something specific, and I did show you in the store, but it was these spice jars. So they're clear and they're have a plastic black top, and you can see there a little can come out, or on the other side a whole bunch could come out. So I'm going to DIY these, so I think I will show you that as well. There are 4 jars per package, and they were $6.99, regular $8.99, so they're on sale for $6.99 for 4, and they are glass. And the only other thing I bought were these glass, they're called, actually, not on here, but they're soap dispensers. These were 99 cents, and for glass, that's pretty good. They're soap dispensers, but I'm not going to use them for soap. I'm going to use them for my syrup, my pancake syrup, and possibly honey, but I don't know if the honey is too thick for that, but we're going to use that for that. So I bought 2 of those, and again for 99 cents, really good deal. And the last thing I bought was, this was more spontaneous, it was more of a splurge, we'll see how it looks, was this area rug. This is the reverse side. It's pretty much a charcoal gray, and this design, it's like a Moroccan trellis type print that is in white, I believe. This one was $29.99, so it's more of a splurge. We'll see how it looks, if it fits. I'll share that with you when I get home. If not, this is coming back. But the main things I came for was specifically the spice jars. So that's my little car haul. And again, thank you so much for coming along with me, and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Stay tuned for the next video, because I will be showing you what I did with those spice jars and how I did them and the overall look. So again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for that video, and we'll talk very soon. Bye for now. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day.